Art Deco dream by the fragrant river. The hotel, built from an Art Deco French colonial guest house, is done perfectly with style and panache. One feels welcomed as a guest of the governor. Amazing service and beautiful facilities. The pool is slightly warm and there is a spa that is open to all guests. It does not have a warm bath, but it does have steam and sauna. The breakfast is exceptional. Location is very good, though a bit of a long walk to the Citadel. Definitely would recommend. Exceptional, great experience. If you like historical, French design, so Azerai La Residence Hue is your choice. Exceptional, very good. Best experience, very friendly staff, very clean. Phenomenal experience. Will definitely come back. Simply the best. Best hotel in Hue. Yes, it is more expensive, but you get what you pay for, and what we got was luxury, attention to detail, great staff, great food. The 1930s decor is fantastic. A definite comeback to hotel for us. Amazing. This place is almost like a man. Zeka really knows what he is doing. Can't wait to stay at the Cano property. The service was superb. Top quality, style, elegance. Superb hotel, worth the extra. Fab pool, big rooms, great breakfast, the best in Vietnam, and I've done a few. Incorporated the Metropole Hanoi near everything. Wonderful bar. 1927 was a special year they built this. Exceptional, good. Superb. The staff were superb, as was the food, drink, decor and everything else besides. I literally can't find anything to fault in this hotel, and it is probably the best hotel I have ever stayed in. Relaxing hotel in a bustling little town. Hotel is gorgeous and all staff are so friendly, attentive and polite. Food is very good at hotel, as is the spa. Nice pool and nice areas to lounge if at hotel. Would highly recommend. Best place to stay in Hue, expensive but worth it. Staff 5 stars. Helped with my messed up hair ticket. Perfect, especially the staff. We stayed 4 nights. Thumbs up emoji. Great swimming pool. Very good, we will return. Perfect. Very interesting city also, close to Imperial Palace. Nice. Charming and authentic. A feeling of boutique hotel. The best part of our trip in Hue was the hotel. We did not fall in love with the old part of Hue, but we did with this lovely Art Deco hotel. Super well decorated, and with a nice pool overlooking the river. Staffs were very helpful. Fantastic, superb, 5-star service. Best staff in the world. It is a little unfair to single out individual members of staff because every member of staff has treated us like royalty. I will tell all of my friends that they must stay at La Residence if they ever visit Hue. Mr. Hone is excellent, helpful and very funny. Mr. Bang, Mr. Tan, and Mrs. Lone are simply exceptional. Naguyat deserves 10 out of 10 because he went a step further and really helped us out when our flight was cancelled. However, like I said, it is a little unfair so single people out because even the small guy, maintenance man, in the grey work clothes was very polite. The bar staff, the roommates were just great too. I could go on and on. To everybody at LA Residence, Hue. Thank you very much for making our stay at your hotel the best ever. I have already left my comments on TripAdvisor. Words cannot express how grateful we are for your service and how happy you have made us. We must have stayed a dozen times over the years and always find both hotel and staff superb. The genuine friendliness of the staff and beautiful location make La Residence unique.